Video opens with shots of a school garden at dawn, dew on the leaves, and a teacher happily tending to plants. Have you ever wondered what happens at school before the first bell even rings? Meet Mr. Penafla, a teacher who arrives on campus while the sun is still rising. But he's not here for lesson plans or grading papers. He's here for this. Show close-ups of vibrant vegetables, tomatoes, lettuce, carrots every single morning. He dedicates his time to this beautiful school garden, planting, watering and nurturing these vegetables. He says it's his way of finding peace before a busy day and a way to bring something fresh and healthy to the school community. Show footage of students in the garden with the teacher learning and harvesting. But the best part, he's not just growing plants, he's growing curiosity and a love for nature in his students. From a few tiny seeds to a bountiful harvest, this is so much more than just a garden. It's a classroom without walls. What a wonderful way to start the day. Thanks for watching. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more uplifting content.